Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are most welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a treatment that will do wonders on your skin. Using this treatment, and you are going to be seeing the results the very next day. Alright, and also you should also remember that consistency is the key to natural remedy. So when you use it and it works for you, you have to continue using it at interval, okay? And it's going to be so super duper great on your skin. So if you want to know what comprises of my remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video, and also share the video. Turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. Now the first ingredient we're going to be needing carrot. Alright, so I've actually prepared this carrot. It's just for us to blend it or create it. Now carrot is excellent for the skin because it helps to close up large and open pores, and it helps to glow the skin, removing pigmentations and fine lines, and it also helps in tightening up the skin, therefore leaving the skin looking younger and radiant. Okay, so and the very next ingredient, which is very important for this, is gonna be cucumber. Using cucumber to scrub the skin would therefore leave the skin glowing. Okay, cucumber contains a lactic acid and it contains antioxidants that helps to leave the skin polished and smooth. Okay, it helps to remove fine lines, wrinkles, and all age related problems such as white dots. Alright, cucumber is excellent because it removes the puffiness at the eye area, and it also removes dark under eye. Alright, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing is coconut oil. Alright, this is an homemade coconut oil. I actually made this myself. Although I'm running out, I'm going to be making another coconut oil. Coconut oil is vast. It's excellent to the skin. It helps to glow up the skin. Coconut oil helps to replace the bad oil, therefore leaving your skin glowing and smooth and soft. Using coconut oil alongside with this natural remedy would therefore leave your skin youthful and radiant. Alright, so the very last ingredient, which is very important, is going to be bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Baking soda is great. It's a great exfoliatant to the skin, and it helps to lighten up the skin because it contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin, leaving the skin youthful and radiant. Alright, so baking soda is not the same like baking powder. Alright, in case you want to ask me at the comment section, baking soda is different while baking powder is also different. Okay, so now let's prepare all our ingredients together. So I have a cut of cucumber, okay, and I'm gonna be slicing this cucumber because I would want to blend it. Okay, so to enable my blender blend this really fast, I have to do it this way, okay, and smooth. I'm gonna go blend this, and I'm gonna be putting that into a bowl so I could blend all this up. Be adding a little water so it could blend really well. So here is my blended cucumber, and we're gonna be needing just 1 tablespoon of that. For the carrot, I'm gonna be chopping this in little pieces. Alright, so I can blend it and blend it really smooth. Alright, I would have to be packing this so I could transfer that into my blender and blend it. All right, so I'm going to be adding up a little bit of water here. Okay, obviously carrot does not have too much of water, so I'm going to be adding just a little bit of water so I could blend this really well. All right, so here is the blended carrot, and I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, and I'm going to be putting this into a refrigerator. I'm going to be putting in half tablespoon of coconut oil, and also half tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Alright, now I'm gonna give this a nice stir, and this is gonna be looking really good. Oh my god, this is gonna be looking really good. How you're gonna apply this is that you're gonna take the treatment. It's gonna be really smooth, and then you're just going to apply this on your face. Okay, and you spread it through your face just like what I am doing right now, and then you give it a little massage. Now the thing is that with the baking soda, you don't have to massage this really well. Okay, the baking soda will help to exfoliate the skin, but you don't have to do that too much. Just a little of massage would be fine. Okay, and you massage in a circular motion just like what you see me do right now. Okay, just a little massage, just like 15 seconds of massage is okay. And when you're done massaging, you can let it sit on your face for like 1 minute. Okay, 60 seconds is okay. Now if you have a very sensitive skin, don't massage it, just apply it and let it sit there, then you go wash it off after 1 minute. All right, really great. All right, so the thing is that you can actually store this for a couple of days, and then you have to store in your refrigerator. Then you have to apply this 2 times in a week or though. So if you're applying it 2 times in a week, there is no need making too much so you don't waste it. So you have to make it when you want to apply it. All right, and then you have to be consistent. So basically that's it. Using this treatment, as I've told you in the video, would help you get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and all age related problems, and you are gonna be good to go. Okay, it is as good as that. All right, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. So I'll see you soon in my next video. But before that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I would love to see you there. Bye guys, and stay flawless. Mwah.